How should I title ownership in my house? Well, it depends on your circumstances, of course, as often is the case when you're making a legal decision. If you're single, you're going to title your house in your name, almost always, especially if you're young. But if you're married, you have a choice. You can title your house in the name of the husband. You could title the house in the name of the wife. You could title the house in the name of a trust that you establish for the benefit of husband and wife. Or you could choose what is often our preference at Griffith Law Group, and that is the estates by the entireties. Estates by the entireties is a form of ownership for husbands and wives, where you put both the husband's name and the wife's name on the deed, and then it's preferable if you identify them as husband and wife. So it would be Carol Smith and Bill Smith as husband and wife. That satisfies the estates by the entireties definition. And it's a great way for couples to own property because it gives them rights of survivorship automatically. If the husband dies, the wife automatically gets the house. If the wife dies, the husband automatically gets the house. You don't have to go to court. You don't have to file any documents. It's very simple. All you have to do is record one document called a survivorship affidavit with the recorder's office. That's all you have to do, and automatically it cleans up the transfer of title from husband and wife to just husband or wife. But here's why we love the estates by the entireties. Indiana is only one of a handful of states that still has this unique form of ownership for married couples. And the cool thing about it is it provides a higher degree of asset protection than, say, a trust or owning the property as tenants in common or other forms of ownership. It's a great asset protection tool. We often see that asset protection benefit eroded by the use of a trust or other mechanism. While we do like owning real estate in a trust in certain circumstances, for most young married couples, the estate by the entireties makes all the sense in the world, and we disfavor other forms of ownership until the couple is much later in life or there are other circumstances that warrant a change in the ownership of the house. So for most married couples, it's going to be the estate by the entireties. To make the decision appropriately, though, you really should sit down with a knowledgeable real estate attorney and see if the estate by the entirety is in a great way for you to protect assets and plan for succession.